In this short video, we will show you how to use and configure a filter component. Filter components are a new feature of Intuitive that has been added in the latest version of the software. They allow filters to be applied to a dashboard simply and easily and placed onto a dashboard. The filter component is important because it allows users to easily filter the data on a dashboard in more detail, such as looking at a specific time period or a particular office location in your organisation. Firstly, let's log into Intuitive as a dashboard designer. The first step is to go to the menu, then select the component builder and then click New Component. We select our data set. For this example, we are going to use some paper-cut data. Next, we go to the menu bar and select the new Filter Component button. We need to drag and drop one or more attributes into the left-hand side of the screen. So let's drag in the month, department, and file type. Once we have selected the attributes that we want to add to the filter component, we click Display Options and toggle whether the values appear expanded on the dashboard. For example, if there are a lot of devices in the dataset, we might want them not to all show when clicking into the dashboard. Next, we click Apply and then go ahead and save the component. Now let's put this new component into one of our dashboards. For this example, we are going to add the component to the Intuitive for Papercut Cost Summary dashboard. So we go to View Dashboard, then click Cost Summary. To add a filter, we click on the plus icon and then select the filter that we want to add onto the dashboard. Once this is loaded onto the screen, we can drag and drop the filter component into the space we have available and resize it to the required space. Now let's take a look at how the filter component works on the dashboard. The component works in a similar way to the master component, as it filters the whole dashboard depending on the attributes selected. For example, by clicking on the Operations department when the department component is the master, it filters all the components on screen by that department. The new filter component goes even further than that, allowing us to select multiple different attributes at the same time. Now we can use the filter, for example, to select multiple months, so that we can analyse that time period in more detail. We can also use the search bar to search for the data we want. This also works as a way of deselecting certain data. Here, we can select all months, then search January and deselect that data. This is useful if there is a business process in that month and we would like to exclude it from our analysis. When we click back, we can see it has saved our selected data from before. This is a great feature when you want to select large amounts of data in bulk. This could be used, for example, to select specific printer manufacturers in order to analyse devices. To apply our filters, we simply select the attributes that we would like to filter by, then click the filter icon to apply those changes. As you can see, it is really easy to create a filter component, and it is a really useful tool for analysing print data in more detail. Thanks for watching, and for more information please contact your account manager or visit weareintuitive.com.